Today, I will discuss the inspection and testing of concrete structures. Then, first of all, we will discuss the why inspection of concrete structures is required. Inspection of concrete structure requires to identify the defects and serviceability. The outcome of inspection can be used to specify suitable maintenance and repair technique to tackle the identified defects of deterioration. Now we will discuss about the types of inspection in concrete structure. First is inventory inspection. Inventory inspection is carried out in following conditions. First one, when the construction of structure is completed and it becomes ready to delivered. Second is when a change in configuration is applied. Third is when a structure is ready back to receive after a major intervention. The results of inventory inspection is used as a baseline for other inspection that may be conducted in the future. Second inspection is routine inspection. In routine inspection, visual inspection is carried out or some instrument may be used. The principal purpose of routine inspection is to discover all indications of deterioration and damage, such as texture of concrete, cracks, spalling, delamination, leaching, rust streak, deformation, and salt buildup. Third inspection is detailed inspection. Detailed inspection is performed between certain number of routine inspections. The inspector should closely examine all the details of structure such as structural, mechanical, environmental, durability, material, and electrical details. If necessary, specialized tools such as hammer, sound testing, or any other non-destructive test would be used to accurately determine the state of structure. The detailed inspection should be carried out by specially trained engineers who can plan comprehensive repairs. Now, fourth is special inspection. Special inspection is carried out in following conditions. First is when sign of distress is discovered during routine or detailed inspection or by any other observation. Second is when the structure loading is to be increased due to addition or alteration of building. Next is when subsidence occurs in areas of mineral or coal extraction. Next is when settlement of foundation takes place. Next is when seismic activity takes place. Next is in case of exceptional event like flood, storm, fire or accident. Now, why testing of concrete is required? Testing of concrete structures is to collect the information about the strength, durability and other parameters. Testing of hard concrete in structures can be tested by three methods. First one is rebound hammer test. Second is ultrasonic pulse velocity test. Third is core test. Now I will discuss about the first test of concrete structures, that is rebound hammer test. Rebound hammer is a spring operated tool which is attached to a scale gauge. Tool is supposed to strike on concrete by spring release mechanism and reverse back to its normal position. Back impact is recorded on a scale. Impact value is calibrated to the strength and strength is calculated. As per IS 13311 part second, 10 readings is to be taken and highest and lowest value is to be discarded. After that, average of the 8 reading taken and corresponding strength is calculated by calibration. As per IS 13311, a variation of plus minus 25% in strength is acceptable. Limitation of rebound hammer test. First limitation is rebound hammer test gives strength of concrete to a limited depth from surface. Second is in rebound hammer testing, heterogeneity and micro cracking of concrete are not indicated in this test. Second test of concrete is ultrasonic pulse velocity test. In this test, ultrasonic pulse is induced in concrete by transducer and received by receiver at another end. A complex wave is developed inside the concrete due to reflection of ultrasonic pulse by different materials of concrete like aggregates, bars, etc. Travel time of ultrasonic pulse is calculated. Apparatus records the velocity of pulse in concrete, that is velocity equal to distance upon time. If the velocity recorded by apparatus V is less than 3 km per second, strength of concrete will be doubtful. If velocity is between 3 to 3.5 km per second, then strength will be medium. If velocity is between 3.5 to 4 km per second, strength will be good. If velocity is more than 4.5 km per second, strength will be excellent. Third is core cutter test. Now we will discuss about the why we perform core cutter test. When cube test shows negative results, then core test of concrete is required. Core for testing should be removed from only hardened concrete, preferably after 28 days. A core is usually cut by means of rotary cutting tool with diamond bits. Drilling through reinforcements should be avoided. Different sizes of core 50 mm, 100 mm or 150 mm are taken based on the requirement. After core cutting, core samples collected and numbered as per building names and components. The load bearing surface of core is prepared by capping or by grinding to improve contact with the loading machine. The core shall be placed in water at temperature 24 to 30 degree centigrade for 48 hours before testing. Now, average strength after testing of the cores should not be less than 85% of the cube strength. Compressive strength of any individual core should not be less than 75% of the cube strength. Thank you.